Hi everyone, we are going to make no-bake chocolate chip muffin today. So here's our ingredients. First, we need to have 1 large egg. We also need to have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I added a pinch of salt. We also need to have 1 cup flour, that's all-purpose flour, then 1/2 cup cocoa powder, and then we also need to have 1/2 cup chocolate chips, bittersweet. And we also need to have 3/4 cup sugar. This is a combination of the wash sugar and muscovado sugar, and then 1/2 cup milk, and then 1/4 cup vegetable oil. So first, we're going to start by mixing all the wet ingredients first. And now, we are going to mix everything well. And then after, we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. And then after, we're going to whisk everything together until they are well incorporated. After everything is all mixed up, we're going to make a well at the center, and then we're going to pour all the wet ingredients. And then we're going to start mixing at the center, working our way to the edge of the bowl and making sure to scrape the edges. And now, we're going to add in the chocolate chips. Okay, and then after, we're going to get our cupcake our cupcake molds lined with paper. And then we're going to pour the batter into our cupcake mold around just 3/4 to give space for the cupcake or the muffin to rise. And then after filling all of the molds, we're going to steam the muffins for around 20 to 30 minutes. And then after 30 minutes, we're going to get the cupcakes. Now to make sure that it's properly cooked, we're going to insert a knife and it should come out clean. And if it doesn't, you need to cook around 5 minutes more. After the cupcake is cooled down, we are now going to remove it from the mold carefully. And since we should not eat everything because we're going to get fat, we must share it. So here I put it inside a beautiful box to share it to my co-workers and friends. Okay, so now here's our favorite part. We're going to taste the muffin. I got the ugliest muffin. And then peel it off. And then take a bite. This muffin tastes very delicious and very chocolatey. This is just very easy to make, so I hope you can make this at your own homes. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye!